Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty. Where dream homes come true. Beautiful one-story brick home available in Wildewood. This perfectly located, low-maintenance home features a private 8-feet deep pool and a serene backyard oasis loaded with beautiful landscaping, a rose garden and established fruit trees. Side entry 2-car garage and a 4-zone rain-bird irrigation with the added drip zone irrigation. Upon entry of this home, you will first notice the beautiful Turkish travertine tile flooring that flows perfect right into the kitchen. Kitchen has also been tastefully renovated with a ton of upgrades, including flooring, granite countertops, custom tile backsplash and upgraded magnetic stove top, just to name a few. Formal living room has a gas fireplace, custom built-ins and a wet bar. Living room opens up into the bonus sunroom. Home has a perfect 3-bedroom 2-bathroom floor plan. Master bedroom has a private bath, double vanity, his and her closets and double French doors that go out to the sunroom. Shared bathroom has also been recently remodeled with custom tile, new comm.